Oh, hello, yo, what's up? Welcome to yet another video. Thank you for still sticking with me. Today I am going to teach all of you guys how to clean your anime figurines. So recently I just got myself this giant haul from Book Off, and I managed to score a couple of figurines. This one. This is a Mine Fujiko, a character from Lupin, and this Ram over here. This Ram figurine that comes with her base finally, and both of them are super dirty. They're filthy. They're absolutely disgusting to the touch. So I've decided to make a video to clean them, since I'm very good at cleaning figurines. So usually when I clean my figurines I will use a bottle spray that is filled to the brim with detergent, a cleaning detergent, probably like a Febreze or something. Magic eraser. This has got to be one of the most important ingredients in this whole laundry list of things that you need to own, need to use to clean your figurines. And this microfiber cloth, this very dirty and filthy looking microfiber cloth, because this is my main go-to fiber cloth, and I haven't cleaned it in quite a while, and apparently my magic eraser just fell off the pen and I have to recover it. So yeah, I guess we are going to start with Fujiko here, because she is looking really good and I really want to clean her up. So when I clean my figurines, what I will do is that usually I'm just going to spray to the dirty side over here, yeah, like so, and use this microfiber cloth. Just use a microfiber cloth. They're very clean, and just wipe her up, you know, just wipe her like that, and she is already clean enough for most people. I have to bring her back to me because I need to do like a lot of polishing, deep cleansing and stuff like that. I think someone might have hot glued this figure in the past. That's going to be really disgusting. I probably have to disinfect her too by using some solution that will not going to affect the paint. My god, she is really filthy. Well, yeah, I bought her off Book Off. So in Book Off, things tend to come straight from Japan, and Japanese people, like, you know, they have a couple of image boards that specializes in, that literally specializes in, you know, this really disgusting hobbies. Oh my god, there's like a lot of hair as well. Crap, what's wrong with these people? Yeah, so a detergent, right? A bottle of detergent spray. You can use any detergent you want. You can use shampoo, you can use a bottle of soap, like one of those like liquid soap. Literally anything, as long as you can remove stain, gunk, and, you know, stuff like that. And if they are like really stubborn stains, for example, like that part over there, that's where and this part as well, that's where the magic eraser will come forth and do its job. This figurine though, I just made a little bit of research about her, and it turns out that she came from this really ancient line of Banpresto figurines. It's like a DX or something. It's like a premium line of figurines from Banpresto from 2008, and she originally cost like $1,400 when she was first introduced. That is a lot of money to be spent on a figurine in 2008. You know, in 2008, if I'm not mistaken, like this Aisaka Taiga over here, this one costs like $3,200, and it is like from Max Factory. Yeah, so for $1,400 for a figurine of a Lupin character, Mine Fujiko, right? That is a lot of money. That is a lot of money indeed, my friendos. Yeah, there's a lot of money to be spent on like a figurine. So after doing a couple of run-throughs with the bottle detergent, she's looking good already. There's a couple of liquid there down there. I guess I have to bring some kind of a tool or something, like a piece of stick, so I'll be able to run my microfiber cloth down to the parts that's like super hard to reach. I am really digging that bodysuit. She looks really nice. Okay, so top bottom half is done. As you can see, she is no longer filthy and disgusting as she was before. You can tell a difference. I can't really do anything about her hands though. Those are some really ugly hands. But then again, it's like a figurine from 2008. I can't really do anything about that. So let's move on to her legs. She also got like a couple of spots there. I don't know if I want to like use my magic eraser to remove all that stain, because it could affect the paint on her, you know. I wonder if these are removable. Oh, the legs are not removable. They have pegs, but I'm not going to try my luck, so I'm just going to like clean her like this. I'll try the base now and see if I am able to remove most of these cum. Oh, the price tag just got removed right off. It's removed right off. This is some powerful detergent here, my friends. This is really powerful detergent. For the stains that I cannot remove, then I can use the magic eraser. The magic eraser will do the rest of the work for me. 2005? What? This figurine is from 2005? That's like a long ass time ago. What the heck? I'm still in like middle school or something when it was in 2005. Fujiko, Mine Fujiko, there you go. If you watch Lupin, and you're probably a big fan of her, and in this case, she is in her red leotard. So there are a couple of like really stubborn stains that refuse to let itself go there and there. That is where we are going to apply the use of magic eraser. See? Wiped out that skunk right off. And this one as well. Boom, they're gone. No more of that stain. And for the case of it right here, I'm going to off screen this, maybe not. I'm just going to show you how it works, right? Just lightly give a light pressure to the stain and just do a couple of passes. I'm going to remove this because I saw it stay there. That one's gone. Dealt with. And a little bit of pressure down here as well. You know, completely gone. So I'm going to off screen the rest of it because it's way easier for me to do that. You guys have just to deal. You guys just need to deal with it. By the way, have I mentioned to you that all my videos are scheduled? I mean, like, I record a lot of videos, right? And I really do not want the videos to go to waste by me uploading all of them at once in a day. That's gonna be a waste. So I'm just going to upload them like consecutively or something like. But don't worry, I will promise you that in the following months to come, I will be uploading a lot. Like, you know, you won't miss like a couple of days without me uploading something. As a matter of fact, I'm probably going to do this until next year or something. And boom, the magic eraser has done its magic. All the stains are now gone. Now, regarding using magic eraser on the main figurine itself, I wonder if that's a good idea because this thing is not coming off with using normal detergent. So I don't know. Wish me luck, okay? I'll try my luck with like just trying to rub it off before I use Magic Eraser, because Magic Eraser, the problem is like on shiny surfaces, maybe it is not a good idea for you to use it on, because it will create like some kind of a stain. So you know what? Let me show you what I meant. If you could see there, everything is like so clean, right? And very, very shiny. But if I use Magic Eraser to remove that gunk, you'll see what will happen. Oh shoot. Ah, there you go. We can already see it almost immediately. I don't know, this Magic Eraser thing, I wouldn't recommend using it on like shiny surfaces. If you use it on shiny surfaces, oh yeah, this thing literally remove paint. Ah yeah, it's only shiny. I messed up. Oopsie. Oh, stinky. Yeah, that's a very, very stinky. Okay, that was a mistake. That was stinky. I should have done that. Yep, so if you are dealing with shiny surfaces, do not use Magic Eraser. Do not use Magic Eraser when you're dealing with shiny surfaces. If you have like a surface that is shiny that you want to buff out, do not use Magic Eraser. It's going to ruin the shine. This thing is not recommended. I will not use Magic Eraser on shiny surfaces. So that stain over there, unfortunately, has to stay. And that stain, and I don't know what the hell happened to her boopsie doodle. Yeah, those things have to stay because I literally can't do anything about them. I don't want to use Magic Eraser on them because I know for sure what's going to happen if I do that. It's going to ruin the shine of her leotard. She is very, very shiny. Very, very shiny. So there you go. That is how you clean your figurines with detergent and Magic Eraser if your figurine isn't as shiny. So yep. Hopefully that you will learn something from this video, or maybe I should do the RAM, but unfortunately we are almost out of time. I mean, this video has been going on for like 13 minutes. Recorded on this new device I got. This is a very good figurine. I have no idea why MFC doesn't feature her as much. I guess due to the fact that she's super rare and nobody really knows about her. She's a very good figurine though. I kind of like her. I'm going to make like a video about her. You know? I'm gonna make a video about her and share it with people. So yep. So that is my tutorial on how I clean my anime figurines. Hope you learned a thing or two. I'm probably gonna make like more videos about cleaning my figurines because I am going to do the same to Ram here, and Ram is not as shiny as this one. This one is like super shiny to the point that she kind of looks like a premium format statue or maquette. I can't believe that I got her for like $7, man. What an amazing figurine. Anyway, so yeah, that is how I clean my figurines. Hope you learned something from it, and I'll see you again next time with another video. Later.